Did you know that the European Union has earmarked billions of euros to support the energy transition and decarbonization? In this video, we will explore the main European funds such as Next Generation EU, the Innovation Fund and the Just Transition Fund, and how you can leverage them to finance solar and storage projects. The Next Generation EU fund is the EU's largest economic stimulus package, with 750 billion euros earmarked to revitalize the economy. The Recovery and Resilience Facility, RRF, is key to energy transition projects. Part of the funds are dedicated to improving infrastructure, enabling the integration of solar energy with BESS systems to stabilize the grid. For the financing of hybrid projects, incentives of up to 40% are granted for projects that combine generation and storage. For example, Spain has earmarked a significant portion of RRF funds for projects in Extremadura and Castilla-La Mancha, regions with high solar irradiance. It is one of the world's largest funds, financed with revenues from the EU Emissions Trading Scheme, EU ETS, that it supports advanced technologies such as flow batteries, hydrogen solutions and hybrid PV plus BESS systems. Priority is given to projects that demonstrate improved energy efficiency and CO2 emission reductions. The Innovation Fund has funded pilot projects in Europe, driving the adoption of advanced solutions. These funds support regions that depend on carbon-intensive industries, such as Asturias and Aragon. That IT finances solar projects with storage to create jobs and improve grid stability. Although focused on Eastern Europe, it has also been useful in Spain and Portugal to modernize energy infrastructure. Both funds promote grid resilience and facilitate job creation in sustainable sectors. Some of my recommendations are: develop proposals aligned with the objectives of the European Green Pact. Collaborate with expert consultants to optimize your application and maximize funding. Prioritize innovative and high-impact projects, such as hybrid PV plus BESS systems. If you need help to access these funds and finance your projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Take advantage of the EU's opportunities to accelerate the energy transition. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and keep learning about BESS systems.